viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press the icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I gave you information how to change password of your Dogecoin online wallet. Sometimes your password is compromised, then you can easily change your password. You must watch my last video. So in this video I am giving you information how to receive money or deposit money in your Dogecoin online wallet. Yes, if you want to make a transaction from your account, so you must have a balance. So this video is going to be very informative for you, but first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Dogechain account because today we are going to some deposit in my wallet. This time I have not balance, but I'm going to uh, inform you about the method. How can you deposit in your online wallet? First, you need to log in your account. This is my wallet ID. I'm going to enter my password here and click on login. Now you can see here the my Dogecoin online wallet is open in front of me. This is my wallet ID, or this is my recipient ID where I get the money. So how can I deposit on this address? This is so simple and easy. You can also create a new address. I also gave two information in how to create a multiple wallets in my last videos. If you want to create a multiple wallets, you just simple go to the receive button and simple click new address. Click again new address. You can see here I have create three wallet address, but I need to deposit on my by default creating address. This is my wallet address. I'm just going to copy and now going to open my atomic wallets. Let's suppose you have balance in any exchange and you want to transfer your amount from exchange to your online wallet. So how can you do? First you need to copy your recipient address from your wallet and then open that wallet or exchange where you have balance. You can see here the atomic wallet is open in front of me. This video is only for demonstration purpose. I'm just giving to give you information about how to deposit, and you just use same scenario, same method. You can easily deposit in your Dogecoin online wallet. So first I need to search Dogecoin wallet. You can see here the Dogecoin wallet is available here, and this time price is Dogecoin 0.50. I have not balance, but you can use same scenario or same method if you want to deposit. Let's suppose I have balance in my Dogecoin wallet and I need to deposit in my Dogecoin online wallet, which is I already copy my address. So if I need to send money from my exchange, so I use the send button, and after that you can see here click here to paste address. So I already copy my address, so just simple click on it, and you can see here this is my address. Before sending any amount, you must cross-check you have pasted your address is correct or not. I'm going to cross-check first of all first two digits and last two digits. First two digits is that D7 and last is that SH. So I'm going to again open my online wallet. You can see here the first two digits is that D7 and last is that SH, means I have successfully paste here my wallet address. Now I am going to enter the amount, how much I want to deposit in my Dogecoin own wallet. Suppose I want to deposit 1000 Dogecoin and automatically convert in shown the in USDT 50 USDT, but you can see here there is the machine show insufficient balance. This video is only for demonstration purpose. I'm just giving to informally this video. You just use same scenario, and you can see here this time is available balance is 0. And if you are going to transfer Dogecoin from atomic wallet to any other wallet, so you just pay one Dogecoin fee, only pay one Dogecoin fee, and after that you just simple click on next or send. I have not balance, just I'm going to try, but you can see here there is insufficient balance. After click on send, so new pop-ups open front of you. There's all information how much you want to send money and where is the send your money. So you must cross check again, and after that enter password. Then your amount will be transferred from your Atomic wallet to your Dogecoin own wallet. After some confirmation, you will be receive amount in your this area means if you send 10,000 USDT, sorry, 10,000 Doge from Atomic wallet, so subtract one Dogecoin fee, so you will be receive in your this area 9,999 Dogecoin, and also you will see in your transaction history. So where this method is very easy way, you just copy your address from this portion and send that person who want to send the money. And you can see here already here is QR code. If you using QR code, so you just simple go to the Play Store, and after that download the QR code scanner, and then your mobile camera will be open and you can easily scan this QR code and you will get accurate your wallet ID in your mobile. You just simple copy or mail to that person who want to send the money. So well, I hope you properly understand, and you can also see here you can deposit Dogecoin or the address above the starting using your online wallet. Okay. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can see here I already make the many videos about Bitcoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. If you are going to click on altcoin, you can see here I already make the videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jax Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namcoin, VeChain, Trust Wallet, Tronlink Pro, Guarda Wallet, Coinomi Wallet, Green Address Wallet. Let's suppose you search this website on Google, and after that this page open front of you and you want to need to get the information about Jax Wallet. Just simple click on this tab, Jax Wallet, and close this tab or add. The new page will be open front of you where you will get all information about Jax Wallet. You can see here how to exchange Bitcoin to other crypto Jax Wallet, fund transfer Jax Wallet to Atomic Wallet, importing Paper Wallet into Jax Google Chrome extension, how to customize crypto wallets, transferring crypto amount from Jax Wallet, depositing crypto into Jax Wallet Chrome extension, how to more secure Jax Wallet to Chrome extension. You can see here how to find 12 backup phrases. This is video very informative for you if you are using Jax wallet. So you must backup of your 12 phrases. After that you can use your any wallet, because if you need to recover, restore, import your wallet, you must have 12 phrases. So here's your, I hope you properly understand about deposit and how to deposit in your wallet. So meet with you in new video. Bye bye.